So I'll put an arrow on the chart. So this is a classic move up. This is bullish consolidation. The ultimate result is going to be this.
But until we hear from Soloway, if you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, so we will provide daily content to keep you updated on the latest news. Gareth Soloway makes a fresh Bitcoin price prediction for 2023 in this video. If you act when it happens, you could become wealthy, but if not, you could lose everything. Gareth Soloway, Chief Market Strategist and CFO of www.inthemoneystocks.com, has been a trader for more than 20 years and is now a specialist in charts and future forecasts. Knowing when to buy or sell cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, BTC, or Ethereum in the cryptocurrency market is crucial. ETH. Gareth thinks that Bitcoin could break higher and kick off the upcoming cryptocurrency boom. That's the most recent estimate by Gareth Soloway on the price of Bitcoin in 2023. Additionally, he claims to have purchased Bitcoin and that there are several investment opportunities on BTC at the moment, so pay very close attention to his trading suggestions.
You can see we have this down-sloping trend line here. I have it projected out that we'll be down at one point this year, 25% on the S&P. But I think the nice thing about that is at the Bitcoin and crypto won't see that type of downside once it gets to its lows. I think it'll start to outperform equity prices.
If you've been following Gareth for a while, you know that his long-term outlook for Bitcoin is positive. But what are his price forecast and outlook for 2023?
Bearish in the first half, bullish in the second half. So I think right now we're getting a beautiful January effect rally, which is where tax loss selling's over. The charts were beaten down. There's a kind of a resurgence of bullishness here. It's an awesome move up. I'm participating in it with some Bitcoin action, although we are getting into resistance here on Bitcoin's chart. So this is the next big test. You can see how price broke out above this down-sloping trend line. Look at that beautiful float to the upside. But now this is your next test at around 18,400. So again, I don't know if it'll break through. Overall, I still think there's probably more downside to go on Bitcoin before we finally bottom. But again, second half of the year, I'm very bullish. Bearish on the first half because I still think equities, meaning stocks, are still the preferred investment method, meaning that people still think the Fed may not push us into recession. Even if they push us into recession, people are still under the guise that they can rescue us by printing money and lowering rates. I think by the second half, we start to recognize that we're going into a recession in the US at least, and probably globally, and the Fed can't print money because inflation will remain above 2% for the foreseeable future. So what that's going to do is it's going to force people to say, okay, well, if stocks are not making the money because consumers are not buying their products due to a recession, where is my ultimate option? And that's going to be Bitcoin. And I think, again, once we get regulatory kind of clarity here, that's going to become a big investment option for institutions.
If you didn't see our earlier videos, that's very interesting. What about Ethereum? Can it pump harder than BTC? Gareth has been predicting that Bitcoin's bottom will occur around May or June 2023 when combined with suitable regulation, which may generate a price reversal and lead Bitcoin to good growth once again.
So ETH BTC here, and again, it's been a nice little move up, but you have to note this level right here and then this level right here. So you're going to get into resistance about 0.078 or so. That's where we're just underneath now. And then if you can get through that, you can get a little bit higher. But, you know, to me, again, this is something that's showing me that, yes, it's been a nice run, but again, in a bear market, just be careful. Bear markets are notorious for luring us into being bullish and then kind of taking it all away from us. So again, I just go by the resistance levels here. So I'll put an arrow on the chart. So this is a classic move up. This is bullish consolidation. The ultimate result is going to be this. It should be this, I should say. Probabilities.
And to wrap up this video, what is Gareth's safety play for 2023?
It's had an amazing run to the upside. You are going to hit some resistance around 1915, so it might be an option to kind of look for a pullback to buy the pullback, but gold has been a rock star. Look at this pattern. Does this look familiar? We almost just looked at this on the ETH BTC chart. Same up move, sideways consolidation. The expectation for this is that this is probably going to break out as well.
Check out our past videos for a ton of useful content from Gareth, and let us know in the comments below if you're investing in gold as well or just going all in on cryptocurrency.
Do you agree that price doesn't matter in the short term? Leave a comment if you found the content interesting. Click in like button. It really helps the channel find viewers similar to you. If you're new to the channel or haven't subscribed to it, click in subscribe button. We post content daily to keep you up to date on the current market and news. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.